Thanks for subscribing. We've been reading your comments from our last video where we installed a DC port to make your Mac Mini more power efficient when running from DC power. There were many of you who suggested that it would be better to just use a UPS. So today we're going to show you the difference between using a UPS, which basically the same thing as an inverter, and to simulate a battery. We are going to use this DC power supply that will allow us to monitor the average usage. Our monitor will be completely powered by the USB-C port. Notice that without turning on the Mac yet, we are already pulling some amps. As the Mac boots up, keep an eye on the DC power supply. Notice the max amp it draws. Okay, let's power down and see how it performs using direct DC power. Again, keep an eye on the DC power supply. What do you think? At idle, while using an inverter, it is about 1 amp. While using DC power, it is a little over half an amp. Keep in mind we are also powering our monitor via the USB-C port. How much longer do you think the Mac Mini will last on battery power? We'll explore this in our next video. Keep those comments coming below. And as always, if you found this useful, please subscribe and like.